Hello everyone. So in this today's tutorial I will be showing with you how to make professional ad poster design in Canva for a mouse. And let's start with it. So we will click on create a design and we'll select custom design for here, and we'll select a dimension which will be 2:3 format, and for this example I am taking width as 800 and height as 1200, both in pixels. Okay, so we'll create new design here. So all the elements, all the pictures are available in Canva, but there is only one requirement, that you need to have a Canva Pro account to use this pictures and elements, because without that you can't access any of them. So the first image which I will be use here is by going to photos. I will use this image which you can find in Man in Dark. Okay, so let's scroll down, and after scrolling down you will find this image, and you will click on edit image and on background remover, and as you can see the background has been removed. Now we will erase the face part. So for that we'll just do as much circle as possible here, and just delete this face part or erase this face part. Okay, so I will just unzoom it and click on done, click on apply. Okay, so let's check this whether all changes are saved or not. After that we can do our next work. Okay, so it's done. Now we will just increase the size of this image. Okay, this one is done. Now let's crop this one, because this one is required only this dress portion. And now use the background here. For this we will go to background color and click on this, which is one of the photo colors here. We'll use this one, and now we will go to elements, and from elements we will use neon circle. Okay, so by going to graphics we will scroll down, and we'll find this one. Okay, so this will bring here, and let's zoom it so that we can understand if it perfectly fits or not. Okay, this one is done. Let's click on send backward so that it is the dress is in front. Okay, now let's add the mouse. Okay, for that we'll click here gaming mouse, and this is the first image which I will be using, and we'll go to edit image and click on background remover. So as you can see the background is removed. Now we'll click on erase, and we'll erase the parts which are not required. Just decrease the size of the eraser and just erase out the parts. Just erase the parts which are not in the mouse, and just the reflection part. Try to be as much proficient as possible. Let's increase the brush size now and delete all those parts. Okay, now it's done. Let's unzoom it, click on done, click on apply. Now it's done, and now it's time to rotate it and just make it bigger. Okay, so that it covers the ring edges. So I will just adjust it. Okay, so this one is done. Now we'll go to adjust here and we'll adjust the brightness here, adjust the contrast, decrease the saturation because the reds are becoming more redder due to contrast addition. Now let's come to highlights and increase this visibility here and decrease the shadows. Okay, so this one is done. Now we will go to elements here and we'll use this smoke part, this one and this one. Okay, so you will easily find it in elements, and as you will see, all of them are in pro. Okay, so 5 of them which I have used are all in pro section. So we'll use this one, first one, and just rotate it. Make it smaller and send backward. Okay, now it's time to use this one. Just rotate it and just fix it here. Okay, so your work is done and the design is complete, and you can use this design, this poster design, for any type of computer parts like mouse, keyboard, sound system, anything like that. I hope you like the tutorial and stay tuned for more useful videos. Thank you.